Hello gentlemen, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Piping Technical Trainer. Kindly subscribe my channel. Today's topic is calculate travel of rolling offset. Let's see. This is a figure of rolling offset. Now from here to here, this is called roll. From here to here, this is called height. You can see it. From here to here, this is called run. This is called run. From this position to this position is called set. This is called set. Now from center of the elbow to another center of the elbow, this is called travel. Understand? This is called travel. From here to here, it is called travel. Now I made actual this figure, you can understand easily. See, this position from here to here is called roll. This position is called roll. From here to here, this position is called height. From here to here, this position is called run. You can see this is called run. From here to here, this position is called set. This is called set, this position. Now from center of the elbow to center of another elbow, this position from here to here is called travel. This is called travel. Now I will make you understand by how to calculate rolling offset. Now we will calculate travel of the rolling offset. See, calculate the travel of the rolling offset given following data. 60 degree offset, this is 60 degree, you can see here 60 degree offset. Roll is 375 millimeter. This is roll from here to here. This is roll. How much is given? 375 millimeter. Height, this is height 200 millimeter, and here this is height 200 millimeter is given. So for this calculation we will use Pythagoras theorem. You know the Pythagoras theorem. So this is given, roll is given, height is given. We will calculate the set, this position. From here to here we will calculate the set. So we will use set equal to under root 375 square plus 200 square. Now set how much? Set we will get 425 millimeter. This we will get 425 millimeter. From here to here we will get 425 millimeter. This is set. Now second, what we will do, we will calculate now travel. This from this center to this center, this is called travel. We will calculate the travel. For calculating travel, what we will do, this is a formula, travel equal to set into 60 degree constant. So we will multiply by constant. If 60 degree from this chart is given, you can see the chart is given the constant value. For 22 and half degree, 2.613, this is a constant value. For 30 degree, 2 for 45 degree 1.414, for 60 degree 1.154. For 60 degree, here we have 60 degree, so we will take this one 1.154. so what is the set we get? This set we get 425 millimeter. So we will keep set here 425 millimeter into 60 degree constant. For 60 degree constant is 1.154 millimeter. So travel will get 490.45 millimeter. This is travel from this center to this center. We'll get 490.45 millimeter. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask me or you can write in the comment box. Thank you.